South Road, Brighton Beach. Sorry if you hear the pedestrian crossings in the background. Users type 2 emails. Oh, it just started. Sorry if you can't hear it properly because of the e-bells. Not the e-bells, the pedestrian bells. Let's see what train it uses. It's the only train it uses on this line, so the train it uses is... You'll see when it comes. And the train it uses is the Siemens Nexus train. Bro, it's windy. Alright, it's gone up. Now I know what to do. Get to the other side, like usual. Right, I'm on that side now. Oh, you can see the beach from here. That looks so cool. Just look at that beach. How nice it looks. Anyways, that's Brighton Beach. Wonder when the level crossing will start. I'm saying about now. I bet it'll start now. I swear, if I'm right, I'm gonna be so surprised. Come on, please start now. The lights just went red. The level crossing's gonna start now, I reckon. Ready? Please. Come on, please start. Oh, come on, please. Oh, here we go. It's also a nice level crossing because of the beach over there. Wow. That. Okay. It smells nice, y'all. I smell the beach from here. And that's a Siemens Nexus train. Just like before. Wow. Okay, level crossing's ended. Thank you guys for watching this, and I'll see you in the next level crossing or train video. Bye.